Hello, this is Danielle. Welcome to the Simpler Options free video. So this is actually a pick that someone in our trading room found today, and when I saw it, I was very excited because it looks quite beautiful. Now, I've never traded this chart before, but I love the pattern. So this is Sleep Number. It's trading at currently 47.83. The previous high was 49.20. There's a couple key things about this chart pattern that I like. What are they? Well, first of all, you have a bunch of back and forth here, which is not really ideal, but there's not a whole lot of history here anyways. But what is very interesting to me are a couple things. Number one, we had a squeeze going into earnings that kaboom, blasted higher, and guess what? There's no gap fill. You got a breakaway gap, hugging the 8 EMA twice, one time here and one time here, pulled back to the 21 EMA. So that tells me it's very strong. On the VZO, what I can see is that, the volume got pretty extended up at these levels, but it still didn't sell off. And then when the volume finally pulled back, it just dipped before it triggered a buy again. Additionally, what do you have right here? Upcoming earnings season. Now, I've noticed when the last quarter shows a breakaway gap like this, type of 2x move, the run into earnings is typically much better. Why? Because people look and say, oh, wow, last earnings did great, so let me buy it prior to this one. So there's that as well. And then the other thing is that we have a Slingshot Squeeze setting up with a ready, aim, fire, buy. I mean, this just looks very, very nice. I like that shifting momentum. You got a ready, aim, fire, buy. Anyways, I should probably stop talking about how good it looks because I'm probably going to curse it. But the last and final thing that it has is it has high short interest. So when you have a pattern like this that's so close to that previous high like that, and you have 25% high short interest, I mean, there's just no way that I can not trade that. So while I'm sitting here trying to figure out how I can lighten up, of course, somebody had to show me this trade. Then I went ahead and messaged our partner over at S3 Partners to get the most recent data on the high short interest, and he tweeted this back to me pretty quickly. And he said that Sleep Number has 25.47% of its float. It's the fourth largest short in the home furnishing retail sector, behind WSM, BBVY, and RH. So guess what? That means that number of 25% is a valid recent number. So I just saw this right at the end of the day. I think I'll probably work on getting some more later. But as of right now, I just went ahead and got some Delta 40 out of the money calls. The earnings date is on the 14th here. So if you check that out, let's see, where is that? Right here. So the reason why I got the Delta 40s, and I meant to get the Delta 70s as well, but I just was kind of finishing up my close there, and I'll get some more tomorrow. But the reason why I got these Delta 40s is because typically in a situation like that where you're looking for a greater than expected move right near those highs, typically these are going to have the most explosion in price. So if you look at something like the Delta 70s, I'll try to get maybe 30, 40% on it. Something like this, I'll try to get 100%, 150%. So anyways, I'm going to add some more tomorrow. Probably pick up some of these, the 45s or the 44s. Either way, this one probably is better because the spread's a little bit tighter. But that is looking pretty good. So thank you to whoever pointed that out in the trading room today. Very nice pick. And we'll see if we can get some more of it tomorrow. If it pulls back, to 45.37 or even down here, 43.28, that would be quite a discount. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you in the next one.